Good morning to you. Thanks for your company this Tuesday, the 4th of August. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. The Australian share market looks set to rise 1.4% or 84 points, marking the second trading day for August. Overnight, we saw Microsoft shares surged 5.6% to a brand new record high after US President Donald Trump called on Microsoft to buy TikTok. The Dow Jones ended 0.9% high, while the Nasdaq rose the most, 1.5%, also closing at a brand new record high. Also in the US, manufacturing data came out stronger than expected, with manufacturing rising to its highest levels in 16 months. Even though the manufacturing sector only contributes about 13% to GDP, it definitely boosted sentiment there. Across the Atlantic, European equities surged over 2% after manufacturing data there in the Eurozone expanded for the first time since early 2019, and as a result, the cyclical autos led their sectors higher in Europe. On the commodities front, the gold price has eased from its brand new record high. It's now at about $1,986 an ounce. The oil price jumped 2% to $41.33 a barrel meanwhile. And what to watch today on the economic side of things, the RBA of course meets, expected to hand down their decision at 2:30 with rates to remain on hold at 0.25%, while the focus will be squarely on when and if bond buying will kick off, particularly as Victoria coronavirus restrictions have tightened to level 4 with the curfew in place. In other news, the federal government will introduce a $1,500 payment to workers in Victoria who are required to self-isolate. On the earnings season side of things, BWP reports results today. Now for three quick trading ideas. Well, firstly, Bell Potter reiterated Tabcorp TAH as a buy following its solid FY20 result, while the business will write down $1 billion in impairments after it was hit by COVID-19 shutdowns and lost ground to online bookmakers. TAH shares are up 61% from their COVID-19 lows. Secondly, MFG, Magellan Financial Group, was reiterated as a UBS hold with a target price of $56.70. That implies that Magellan's shares are likely to fall over the year. Magellan recently proposed the restructure of their global equities products from 3 products into 1 listed product, but that's not the UBS concern. UBS says that even though inflows are growing, which is definitely what we've seen strongly over the last several years, UBS says it's going to become increasingly difficult for this business to continue to grow funds at the level that they are while keeping costs low, particularly as the company has entered a mature growth phase. And thirdly, Cleanaway Waste Management, CWY, is showing a bullish uptrend according to Trading Central's data. Its chart is showing a bullish signal by an inside buy chart, suggesting CWY stock price may rise from yesterday's close of $2.12. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading. Stay safe.